Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Now trackies, today has been a tough day, in the world of athletics, and it's just getting worse. Now heartbreaking news, has just dropped. Sydney mclaughlin-levrone has withdrawn from this year's World Championships in Budapest. Now, Sydney took to her social media platform and she had this to say: I am sad to share that I must withdraw from this year's World Championships meet in Budapest. After consulting with my doctors and coaches, I need to take care of a minor knee injury so that I can be fully healthy for next year's Paris Olympics. I look forward to seeing everyone back on track soon. So that's word coming from Sydney. She has a minor knee injury and she's taking the time out to ensure that she gets fully healthy in preparation for Paris next year, which is the Olympic year, and clearly, much more important than this year's World Championships. Track is thinking about this season and also the numerous, injuries that Jamaicans have also faced. Quite a few of our 400-meter athletes as well, Stephanie, Stacy not being, at their best at our Jamaican championships. I've taken a moment to really think about it, and I'm wondering, if these back-to-back years of championships is finally, taking a toll on, the athletes, because we have seen, and again, it's not just Jamaica, but, speaking from a Jamaican perspective, I've seen a number of injuries this season, and it could be the fact that, the body cannot handle so many years of back-to-back high-level competition. But with that said, as you know, Sydney, as I said, has withdrawn, and this could be seen as an opportunity for other athletes to, step up and hopefully, grab a medal. So let's take a look at, this 400 meters women's field that heads into Budapest. Of course, Sydney was, for sure a huge medal contender, and not just a medal contender, but gold medal contender heading into Budapest. So now that she's withdrawn, everybody is now eyeing that gold medal. Now, personally, I did believe that, Salwa Eid Nasser, would have definitely been able to challenge Sydney, for that gold medal. Now that she's not there, Salwa, will still, come up, in my opinion, as a good shot, of grabbing gold. But not only her, there's still my lady Paulino, plus the new faces. Britton Wilson from the United States is also a very strong contender, as well as Rashida Adeleke from Ireland. She is a solid, contender. And let's not forget the shocking news of Shawnee Miller-Weibo also entering the women's 400 meters. Remember, I said in that video when I talked about it that, listen, what if she actually gets the medal? I'll be sitting here going, I'll be gasping, right? So clearly, this can be an opportunity for a lot of athletes. It's bad to say, but it's a reality. When, big guns fall out, other athletes can look at it as an opportunity to, grab a medal. Maybe a medal they would have never gotten otherwise. Anyway, trackies, you all sound off in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. Sydney is out. Is the 400 meters wide open? Who do you think, will take advantage of the situation and grab gold, or, just grab, those 3 medals on offer? Sound off in the comment section below, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.